Hi, hello everyone. I have the new L'Oreal Telescopic Extensionist Mascara in the shade black, and it's waterproof. This is the packaging right here. I haven't opened this yet, so this is a first impressions review. So this mascara is supposed to have 24-hour wear, so aka long wear. Nobody's ever going to wear mascara for 24 hours, but it's supposed to give extended length, volume, and curl. It has a lash sculpting comb brush. So that's all its claims, and this is very new. Let's open this baby up and take a look at the brush. I love it when things are packed so you can't open it, because people will open and mess with stuff, especially to do swatches. So I'm really happy that it's packaged like that. So this container from L'Oreal, the tube itself, is gorgeous. It looks so high-end. It's a beautiful shade of blue, and it says Extensionist in embossed silver letters on the top. It's gorgeous. What is the expiration date on this? It says 6 months. So here it is. And let's take a look at the brush. Ooh, because I don't see very well, brushes are important to me. I like a thin, skinny brush like this. It works better for my eye shape, and it also prevents me from poking myself in the eye super badly, because I am working literally blind. I am not kidding. When I'm not wearing my glasses, I don't use my left eye. So I'm literally blind in that eye without my glasses. With my glasses, my eye functions, but without, it does not. So I always curl my lashes because I wear eyeglasses. So I am going to start by curling my lashes. Girlies, you know, if you wear glasses, your lashes hit your frames. It is just what it is. So I'm going to start by curling. Okay, my eyelash is curled. And now the mascara. I'm going to brush this tube off. Brush the tip off on the top of the tube. I have a feeling this might be a thicker, creamier formula, and I don't want to put too much on my lashes. Now, I love it when a mascara gives curl and a false eyelash look. So that's what I'm looking for in my mascara. So let's see how this does. Okay, right off the bat, impressed. I have the thickest, darkest, curliest lashes. The formula is thick and very black. Very black. Just look at the difference between these lashes with the mascara and those lashes. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's do the lower lash. Okay, beautiful. Easy to apply both to upper and lower lashes. This brush is a freaking A plus. This is A plus brush. I really, really like it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish both lashes and show you what this looks like under my glasses. I will be right back. I'm back. Both lashes are done, and this mascara is gorgeous. It is black, 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 my favorite color when it comes to mascara. And it dries down matte, so very matte. It's not a glossy mascara formula, which I also like because it gives more drama to the eyelashes. The mascara is very wet. It is heavy, so make sure you scrape some of the mascara off the brush before you use it, or it may weigh down your lashes rather than curl them. And it works beautifully on uppers and lowers, and the color is black. It gives a false lash effect. You can see my lashes through my glasses. I highly recommend and approve of this mascara. One other thing is, I think it does thicken your lashes. It is volumizing because of the formula's thickness. It adds bulk to the lashes, which in my opinion makes them look a little fake, which I like. I like that look. So, 2 thumbs up to this mascara. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.